Hi guys, today I want to show you results of my experiments with my product Diamond Flux FN231 for soldering electronics. This board was left on the street in Florida, 35 degrees of Celsius and high humidity for 1.5 months. And today I want to show you results of current leakage. Resistance tester. Right now okay. Okay, let's go. This one. This test show us about high representative for your device when you're using Diamond Flux. When your board is heating, same reason, let's maybe stay working without current leakage. It's very important for BGA chips, QFN chips, all kind of chips, absolutely all SMD and deep components.